nobody was watching, but it's so...
Home Depot trip number 1 of many, I'm sure. So today my goal is just to get paint and painting supplies. I feel like I've been putting this off for so long because I'm like, I don't have time to go to Home Depot, so no. I have the supplies, so hopefully tomorrow or the next day I'm just gonna do it. There's so many more things I need at Home Depot, but I just feel like I can't do anything to the walls until I paint anyway, so I'm just gonna take it one step at a time, go in there and hope for the best. My fear is that there are 30 shades of white and I don't really know what to do. So hopefully the Home Depot guys can guide me, and yeah, let's go get this paint. At this point, I had just put away everything that obviously had another home. I moved that area of boxes, I moved the dry cleaning. The couch was completely cleaned off. At this point, it's feeling pretty empty in here. So I'm gonna start painting, and I'm gonna start with this wall since it has the least amount of furniture on it. I don't know, it just seems the easiest start point. I'm also going to list the couch on Craigslist today. It's so comfortable and it's kind of a shame to get rid of it, but it's really blue and it's not, I don't know, it just doesn't feel photogenic and it's not aesthetically pleasing. The end of day 2 of painting. When I started today, I had 2 walls completely done and then 2 walls I had started on, but I had to go over the ceiling, which for me is the hardest part because I can't reach it, and do a second coat of paint everywhere. I'm really hoping that I'm done. Yesterday was fun when I was painting with Amber. Today it's a little bit lonelier. So the walls are dry. I think they look really good. The molding is like the pre-existing white that was already in here is a little bit more creamy, yellowy. But honestly, I'm not tripping over it. I'm not gonna repaint every molding and every ceiling in this apartment. It's like not realistic. I'm looking at this space and it's so bright and I don't want that clothing rack in here. The issue is that my closet is in this room. So functionality wise, the clothes should be by the other clothes, but I'm thinking I'm gonna move that into my bedroom and then I'm gonna move my computer desk out here. And that will free up the entire wall, so I can do like a little gallery wall. I can do like a little gallery wall above it. This TV is getting hung tomorrow. I just want some white curtains hanging down in front. And then I've got this signed Murakami skateboard that I got at Complex Con, and then this sort of holographic Dragon Ball Z skateboard. So I'm trying to decide what I want to do. That I should get the soft brass finish. It's like gold, the matte black finish. I like the gold, I just don't want it to be like cheesy. I don't know. It's not easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say yet another day of physical labor. So at Target yesterday, I bought this slip cover for your sofa. Wow, I'm not oily, I just put on moisturizer. I bought this Sure Fit sofa slip cover. It's meant to fit most sofas. So I'm gonna cover that boy up with it. I am still wanting a new sofa, but I know that a lot of furniture stores take like 2 to 4 weeks to ship, and I haven't even found one that I like at a price I like. So I'm hoping this will work just sort of in the interim. It was only like 60 bucks, and who knows, maybe I'll love it. As I expected, it's not exactly the long-term solution that I am looking for. Here is the couch cover in all of its wrinkly linen glory. It's not a perfect fit.
I'll be a story, trying to think of looking.
Guess where we are? We're at IKEA. So we've come to the point in time in every home improvement vlog. It is IKEA time. Actually, what I need is something for my closet because I moved so much stuff out of my living room that now I need extra shelving space to store everything. This one looks great. I mean, it's a little bit expensive, but it has all these things for shoes.
At your table, speak to her softly, as if I'm beside her, just like my father. I'll be alright. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't. That everything's undone. I'm brushing your hair back. They're calling you home. Oh, Mrs. Darling, what did they tell you? If I start to shake, I got it from you. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it.